What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally slid back from Lone Star Rally, man. We was out there the whole weekend, man. We had a ball. Ended up linking up with my guy Lace and Action Jackson, man. We made a movie, man. We hit the seawall and the whole shore front, man. Sliding on them glides and all the above, man. I can't wait to get back and slide again on the next event, man. But more than anything, we are back in the garage, man. It's time to get back to work. You guys know before we left, man, we had our new road glide that came into town. Not only just a new road glide that came into town, but the one and only, man, yours truly, Mr. Everything Regular Special, his personal bike himself, man. So yes, we got our 2018, I believe this is a 2018. You guys know, after all the Harleys and stuff, as long as it's M8, I don't really care about the year, just because you guys know I'm gonna do what it do. But anywho, we got the bike in the garage, man. We got some parts on it yesterday, but it's time to finish it up and just get it more acquainted, man, and just figure out the ins and outs, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a giveaway, man, you guys know we bringing more life to the community, man. So with that being said, I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2020 CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. Second place, we got our 2021 Chevy Silverado paired together with second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces, the one with the 124 and the one that's knocking everybody off from state to state, man. You guys know what time it is. Not only do we got a bike and a truck for first place, man, we got a bike and a truck for second place. We got third place, which is our 2018 Road King with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint. And then for the first time ever, man, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide, man. I can't wait to get all these things literally 100% complete and get this show on the road, man. But you guys already know those bikes are pretty much done. I can't wait to see where these things is going, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you any hat, any patch on the site, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, it's just about that time to shine. Everything is $75 live on the site today only, man. So go over there, get your hat or patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, we're in the garage about to get this stuff situated, man. So I can't wait. Let's get it together, no doubt. Alrighty, we got our 2018 right here, baby boy. 2018 Road Glide with all the oohs and ahs, man. With all the oohs and ahs. So I've been telling it. So we did a. I've been telling everybody it's a 143 to scare off the big dogs, but I ain't gonna even hold y'all. It's really a 130 in real life, man. So this is our 130 M8. We made X amount on the first pull, and then, you know, I'm not gonna really say my numbers, but it's a pretty decent bike, man. Definitely the fastest road glide I've had here. So I can't wait to get this show on the road. We even got chain gang on that thing, man. So y'all know this thing is about to go yay yay. Anywho, we actually they delivered our rear fender and our freaking speaker pods to a whole nother house. Luckily the neighbors were so nice and they came and told us and let us know. So we actually grabbed those packages. Now we can pretty much get this front end situated and then actually get this back end situated as well, man. So hopefully after we get the whole back end situated, we should have enough room to get this fender on there, get the bags on there and everything, man. So I can't wait. Let's see what we can get done today. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go up. But first, man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I'm actually about to start right on the back, man. I need to get this back end situated. Yeah, we about to get this back end situated first, man. I need to see this thing a little bit more complete, man, and together, man. So let's set y'all up and we'll get right onto the fender and so on and so forth, man. Now, I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. I'm so excited right now. I think we got action on this other one right here, man. I think we got action only because, yes, sir. Hey, man, with a little bit of confidence, man, and the willing to, like, try and get it done, you never know what you might can achieve, man. You guys know I always got to take stuff in to get this stuff wired up, but it just figured out. We just figured it out, man. I think I got it down packed. It's about to be a freaking movie. I'm so excited. Let's finish getting this freaking rear fender on there and get it going, man. It's go time. When it rains, it pours, man. It's freaking pouring down. Not even pouring down, it's rain out here. I don't know if y'all can see it. But, y'all see we got our rear fender on here, man. Let's see if we got some light action. Yeah. And I even got the license plate to work. Man, this feels so good, man. You guys don't even know. Now we can literally put together our Road Glide and our Road King, man. We don't got to take neither one of them up there to get situated, man. So that's exciting. Now that we know how to do that, we can do the rest of our bikes. And now we can buy some more CVO rear fenders because now I know how to do them. So it's going to be that much more fun. Can't wait. Let's get these bags pulled out and put together, man. Just like that, man, we got this thing all together. I ain't gonna hold you. This one is looking really, really good, man. Really, really good, man. Really, really good. I actually feel like I gotta spin it around to get the whole effect. I don't know. Spin it around this way so we can really see what's going on. Oh, yeah. That thing is cold, man. That thing is cold. Let me know what y'all think about it. Comments below. I need to get this freaking rear wheel on there. That thing is not flowing with this paint job, but all in all, it is looking freaking bomb as heck. We got our tail lights on there. Everything is good to go. This is a first for me, man. Woo-hoo, it's a first for me. I'm telling you, if we wasn't getting no blown fuses and stuff, we'd be riding this thing right now. I'm actually about to pull the outer fairing off and see if we get some different action going on, but y'all see it here first. It is looking good, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. I got some more fuses over there. Let's see if we can go. I could go ride this joint now. I really can go ride this joint right now. I ain't gonna hold you. It's time to go yay. Time to go yay, man. Ooh, I'm excited. Now that we got that thing fired up, put back together, it's looking real good in this blue and green. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm actually about to freaking push this thing in the corner and get ready for what's next. As much as I want to work on that one, I don't really got any parts. Actually, I do got parts. I got the inner and outer fairing. I got the rear fender. I don't know. We'll see what's up with that, man. But I got to clean up. It's so much trash and stuff everywhere, dude. And you guys know I hate working like this, man. So let me clean up this garage real quick, get all these boxes and stuff situated, and then we'll see where we are. And just like that, man, we got the garage cleaned up, looking good. Nothing on the floor. We got the trucks pulled back in the driveway. We got the trash cans and the trash out front. Man, it's been a hell of a day, man. We done edited a bunch of videos, came out here and made another video, got a lot of stuff done on this Road Glide, man. It's only little stuff to do. So we'll be tackling these speaker pods and speakers and stuff tomorrow. So I can't wait, man. We got to go get an air breather for that thing, man. We'll tackle all the little stuff tomorrow, but all in all, really good freaking bike. Does look good with the tail lights and everything. Now we can wire up that bike and that Road King, man. So tomorrow we'll start off with those two and come back and finish off this one, man. And just like that, man, we done made it back to the house. I freaking let my dad drive the Corvette this week. He got it cleaned up for us again, man. He got it cleaned up for us again. Freaking, I didn't get nothing in the garage last night, but we gonna get it together today, man. We gonna get it together, dog. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. You guys seen we got our 2018 Road Glide all together, man. This is like my personal bike right now. Definitely my fastest bike in the garage. It really came out really freaking dope, man. You guys let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. You guys also know we figured out how to wire these freaking taillights up. Not only that, man, we now have access to freaking wire our fourth place bike up and our Road King, man. So we can actually get this thing together and ready to go, man. my wheel guy actually hit me about the set for this. So we actually may be able to finish that Road King and everything, man. You guys will just have to catch it on the next video. So with that being said, man, I'm about to get up in here and get it going, man. But I appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the More Life giveaway, you guys know we bringing more life to the community, man. So with that being said, man, I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2020 CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2021 Chevy Silverado paired together for second place as well with our 2020, the one and only Reese's Pieces, the one with the 124 that's knocking everybody off from state to state. Yes, man, I'm giving away a bike and a truck for first place, and I'm giving away a bike and a truck for second place, man. So not only do we got first and second place, man, we got third place, which is our 2018 Road King with all the everything regular oohs and ahs. We should actually have that thing back today. And then for the first time ever, man, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide back there, man. I can't wait to get all these things situated and good to go, man. It is just about that time, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you a hat or a patch. Any hat on the site, any patch on the site will gain you entry into the giveaway. Everything is $75 right now, today only, man. So get in while you can. You guys know what time it is. It is almost that time to see which one of y'all is about to come pick up this truck or who house we about to pull up to, man, because I can't wait to see where these things is headed. You guys let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, it's time to get this show on the road. You guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Meanwhile, today was a fun day, man. We was in the garage, got some stuff done, ended up having a little fun, linked up with the homies and all that, man. So stay tuned for more content, man. We about to get right back in here in the garage, man, but I gotta get y'all this video first. So, man, I gotta get y'all this video first, man. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Until next time, everybody be safe out there. It's love, man. Let's get it.